Hello everyone, I'm Fred, and today I'm gonna present you on how to manage account in Dynamics 365. Out of the box, Dynamics 365 has multiple functionalities and features that are quite interesting. I would love to present sales insight in Dynamics 365 today. For sure, my demo environment is not the best one to present at because I tend to talk to myself a lot, but I'll show you some customization that we've done in our Dynamics 365 to give a bit more details and information that can be quite interesting if you're doing like a CSM, customer success manager, or even an account manager to have more information. Back in the days when I was working a lot with account manager, one of the best account manager that I did work with were people that were good at really planning their days and weeks and everything. And they were really good at planning all the different tasks and all different information to make sure that they were always on time and on point in terms of their follow-up and communication. So we try to reproduce that and add value to Dynamics 365 to improve account management. Normally, account management is based on two things. So the ability to have all the right information in terms of account potential, account information. So this way you're able to plan your account as much as you can, and also to see what's currently happening. So we did develop some fun way to customize the information. Here is an example. You can have easily a view of all the different opportunity, prospect, and review that you had for that customer, and have pretty much a presentation of the revenue per fiscal period. So you're able to compare, as an example, if you did sell in 2023 4 million, but nothing happened before and after, maybe there is something happening and maybe some investment could be done in terms of reaching out to that customer and having like different strategies. The second point is the ability to plan activities. We did develop something called task management. The idea is to be able, like you would do in your Outlook or something like that, but to be able to plan tasks on specific account with the specific recurrence with a start and end date. So here is an example. I decided to set up a recurring task every 30 days to reach out to the customer. Then I can decide myself if I want to call them, visit them, have a team meeting, or even just simply sending an email. And it's just going to automatically generate those tasks for me, and I'll be able to plan my day based on those tasks. Then I can have some information. We did set up like different rules to decide of the current quality of the account based on the management of the task. And so you're able to generate an account based on your follow-ups and everything. We did also set up standard information that we can do in account management. So what will be the potential of the account if it's an account that's unmanaged or managed, and also the responsiveness. So as an example, if my contact or primary contact or multiple contacts simply doesn't reply to my email, this way I'm able to easily customize my list of account and prioritize which one I should reach out. I'll show you this example. So we did customize also the information to the task. The idea was give a bit more value. So we can easily put a satisfaction level. We can say what did we do within the task. Then we can set up a next step. So as an example, if the customer is telling me, oh, I would like to have a quote on that, I would like to have a presentation for X product, I'm able really to plan all that within the CRM. The next step is also the ability to set up sequences. As an example, to the CRM, if I would like to automate a certain part of my work, I could use sequences to, as an example, create a sequence of emails and reach out for all my unmanaged accounts. So I'm able this way to do one-to-many activities instead of having to do manual email to each one of them. I'm able to easily connect like a sequence, decide which one that I'm looking for, and create that sequence for that specific customer. So this way you're able to really generate more strategy on your account. So as an example, upcoming account renewal, I'll say use a template, and I'll be able to account renewal to use that specific sequence on my specific account. And this way I'm able to easily plan my task, easily plan my account strategies, and I can do much more than simply managing everything in my Outlook. Thank you so much and have a good day.